any CCTV footage supporting the claims made by the BJP. Yet there is televised footage of how BJP male MPs threatened and intimidated Srimati Priyanka Gandhi and many female MPs from the Congress party who are from the Lok Sabha. So far, no such action has been taken, no FIR has been registered, and it clearly shows the BJP's attempt is not to find justice for women. They are only attempting to divert the attention from the remarks made by Union Home Minister, which were disparaging and insulting to the Indian Constitution and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar.
So you also demanded the apology and the resolution from this Amit Shah?
Absolutely, and it is unfortunate that Prime Minister Modi indulges in mere optics by putting his head to the Indian Constitution. Yet when his own Union Home Minister abuses the founder and the main architect of the Indian Constitution, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, then Prime Minister Modi remains silent. It is only a reflection of their history and their age-old disrespect for Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and the Indian Constitution. When the Indian Constitution was adopted, the RSS rejected the Constitution. For so many years, they only pretended to respect the Constitution. But now, when they feel that RSS and BJP are politically stronger, now their true intentions are coming out. For all these years, they were indulging in mere theatre. But as this year commenced, we saw that they wanted to change the Indian Constitution if they got more than 400 MPs. And now, I think again, after the their victories in Haryana and Maharashtra, they are becoming arrogant, and their true face, the hidden face, has now been revealed by Union Home Minister Amit Shah inside Parliament, and that is why he is choosing to be stubborn and obstinate and not apologizing for the hurt caused by his remarks to the lakhs of people who follow Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and who believe in the ideals of the Indian Constitution.